Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an essential aspect of financial management, creating categories in QuickBooks Online. Now, you might be wondering, why are categories important? Well, in this tutorial we'll explore the advantages and how they can transform your financial record keeping. But before we jump right in, if you're new here, a warm welcome to our community. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our fantastic content. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now, creating categories in QuickBooks Online offers several advantages for businesses and individuals in managing their finances and organizing financial data effectively. Why is that? Well, for one, expense tracking. Now, categories essentially helps you organize and track expenses by grouping similar transactions together. And obviously, it will allow you for a clearer picture of where your money is going and helps identify areas where you can cut costs. That's for budgeting, right? And you can compare actual spending and against budgeted amounts, helping you stay on track and make adjustments, as needed. And yeah, so uh, let me just make a quick reminder that the version that I'm using is might be different from what you are using. So the interface varies. So it's very important to know that. And when you face the dashboard, the interface, all you gotta do in my end is you have to go to accounting. It it gives you two options, which are chart of accounts and reconcile. For this one, we choose the chart of accounts. We have a separate video for reconcile, but for now, you have to click chart of accounts. And yeah, it'll load a little bit, depends on your computer. But you have here two options. We're in run report and new. We have the name, the type, the detail type, QuickBooks balance, bank balance, and national. But we're not gonna mess with that for now. All you gotta do is click on the upper right option here, where it says new. Gonna click on that. And again, as I've said earlier, it's important to note that different versions shows a different variation. It really varies. But for my end, it shows account, and then you have a different categories here where it says cash and equivalents, fixed assets, and for the training purposes, for now, the categories that we're gonna use, let's say other expense. All right, it'll take a moment to load. And then the detail type, maybe other expense, or you can actually you can actually customize it here. Let's say tutorial training purposes. All right, description. You can make a tiny details for description. Like here, I put creating categories in QuickBooks Online. You can check this. Is this a sub account? So we have a different video for that, but for now, we're just gonna leave it as it is. So here it says user expense, subtract and usual and whatnot. And after that, we are going to save and close. Now that our category has been successfully saved as prompted, but for us to check if it was successfully saved, all you gotta do is type it in training. I believe it's training. Yeah, there you go. Training tutorial purposes. Now let's run report. It'll take a while for it to load, but there we go. So the new category has been saved, and just like that. And if you found this tutorial helpful, guys, once again, please give it a thumbs up leave a comment. If you have any questions, don't forget to subscribe for more QBO online tutorials. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.